כלבה טובה. Hey guys, so yesterday it was really rainy, but today it's sunny and bright, so I decided to take advantage of the day and bring M with me so I can take some footage of the city after the rain. My first time ever being in this side of Afula. They have a full roses garden here, so pretty. And it looks like they're still building here. It's a pretty pet. I wonder where she lives. Lana. Lana more interested in the construction building. Still wet from the rain. Oh, this road is really pretty. How come I only find it now? So I decided to go back to my old school. It was like my high school here. Now they changed it to junior high, I think. They kind of re-changed the whole purpose of this building. Anyway, when I was young, I used to learn here. Oh, they made a cool graffiti wall. Here, I'll show you the graffiti wall. Ooh, the grass is still wet. You see some kids sign their names on it and other stuff. My classroom was somewhere over there. This is fine. I think the prettiest and most designed building was this one. They had an auditorium, and I used to go for after class curriculum here. Okay, we're all set. upgrade the place since I study here. They added those swings, and in overall it looks so much more prettier. They even have like a sheshbesh and damka table. That's so cool.